That's unbelievable. Never seen anything like this. Let's go to the anvil now. So this is our 10 kilograms anvil. It's really big. And let's hope our press is going to show his power. So I believe that Zeus is going to break this. Let's show you all the power of this press. Let's crash. We've got the 10 kilograms anvil. Let's crash. What we have made, we have changed the big tool with a smaller tool. We put the big tool down and the smaller tool up. So let's see what's up now. Let's crash. Let's crash. So it was impossible to crush it standing. Let's give it a try on the side. Let's crush. Yeah. So this is the one piece. This is the other piece. This is another piece. I think we got one more. And this is another piece. So all these 4 pieces are going to be in giveaway. Link will be at the description. If you want to see more crazy videos with this 500 tons beast, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And if you want to be the first that watches these crazy videos, don't forget to hit the bell. Until next time, let's crash.